It's been a long time since I've done a video review. Just life in general, busy with work, and then we're in the middle of COVID-19, which is challenging for us, obviously, as a nation and everyone. So finally got some time, finally settled into staying at home, and came up for air and thought I would do a video. Anyways, hope this finds you well. Patagonia, the Atom 8L is one of my most popular, if not my most popular video. And I have a bunch of Patagonia, and I don't know why I haven't reviewed it, but anyways, I got a bunch more Patagonia. I'm sure you're surprised to know. So this is a beach tote. I don't know when I'll be back at the beach, but my old MO was that every Wednesday during the summer, all my daughter's school friends go down to the beach. There's just this open beach date, like standing beach date at noon on Wednesdays, and it actually works out really nice because you never have to call anybody. You just sort of show up, and there's guaranteed to be sort of a gang of friends there. And so I surprisingly was just covered in sand, and our stuff was covered in sand, and I was like, you know, I really need a beach tote. So that's what this is. It doesn't come in anything fancy. Obviously, it's just in this paper bag. My husband did cut the top off. He's probably going to have PTSD from me telling him, like, don't cut the top off of my stuff, because I like my unboxings to be, like, more authentic, but here we are. So it's the beach tote. I got it in kind of, like, fun, funky colors, because I thought, why not? And I know a lot of people take their, like, leather bags to the beach and stuff, and I'll say I'm really pretty hard on my bags, but, I don't know. I don't want to take my leather bags to the beach. That's like a level of hard on your bags that I can't go there yet. But I like this bag a lot. So obviously it's waterproof. I like that it's super bright colors so I can see it, because there's always just this insane amount of mess and stuff and bags and food and swimsuits when we go to the beach. And I like that the colors are bright but subtle. On the back side, or I guess, I don't know, maybe it's the front side, I love this thing because we always have insane amounts of sand anytime you go to the beach, especially with a child. So it's nice to be able to sort of take all that stuff, put it here, and then by the time we walk to the car, it sort of shakes itself out. It has this little thingy on it. I don't really know how much purpose that serves, right, to tighten the mesh. All it does is sort of serve to, like, shrink the bag. But I will let you know if I find that it's useful. When I can go back to the beach, I will. And so let me explore a little bit, because it's been a while since I ordered this. So the other side, so I'm going to say this is probably actually the front, because it probably wouldn't be super comfortable to have this against you, but I don't know. Anyway, so I think it's meant to, like, roll up a beach blanket, a beach towel, whatever, and shove it in between here, and then you can tighten it so you don't have to put this, like, giant wet thing into your bag. And then on the interior, what do we have? Oh, so it's got, I'm pleasantly surprised. So it's obviously sort of like got this waterproof kind of layer to it. I don't know, for lack of a better word. The one side here, no pockets. The other side here, a mesh pocket, but with a zipper, so kind of nice for, like, your phone and all that stuff. And then no other closures. Like, the bag just hangs open like a tote. Let me do this and just put it on. Oh, that's kind of interesting. I was not expecting that. So the way that the bag, I was gonna go like this and throw it over my shoulder, but you can't do that. You could hold it only like this by the straps, because it doesn't quite, like, it doesn't, usually the straps are on the one side, so you can sort of go like this, but you kind of can't. You kind of got to do this action. Is that awkward? It's a tiny bit awkward, but let me explore. Maybe the bag was meant to be carried backpack style. Would that be ridiculous to say? Let's take a peek. Yeah, that would be ridiculous to say. It won't fit like that. And I'm pretty short, so my suspicion is if I can't get on backpack mode, maybe you can't either. So maybe it's meant to be sort of exclusively hand carried like this, which is actually really interesting, because I'll tell you right now, if you're 5'2", it's going to drag on the ground, because it's dragging on the ground for me. So I'm going to have some 2.0 suggestions. But I picked this up, I think, for a pretty decent price. So that's the only sort of saving thing. And you can kind of make it work. It's just straps are interesting. I'm not used to seeing that. Anyways, this is it. My Patagonia beach tote that I hope someday to be at the beach again when the stay-at-home is lifted. But for now, I'm doing my part. Let me know if you have any questions on what fits, anything else. that's it. Thank you so much for watching. By now you've come to realize that a lot of my videos falsely end and then restart because I'm like, whoa, you're dead wrong. So this is one of those times that I was dead wrong. So I was showing to my husband like how I thought the straps were kind of weird for a tote because they didn't like sort of line up the traditional way with a strap on each side, like it straddled the bag. And then I was saying like, do you think this thing was meant to be a backpack? And he goes, it's for sure meant to be a backpack. And then, don't repeat this, but he's right. So anyways, it's meant to be a backpack. These straps, they come all the way down. It can be adjusted. I was able to put it on no problem. So that's how it looks. I actually think now it makes a whole lot more sense. I have to eat my words, which I'm fine doing. So this is the Patagonia backpack tote. I'll let you know how it goes. Thanks for watching. Bye now, for real this time.